I'm Roger Woodruff with Guarantee here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. We got an absolutely beautiful day here in the middle of winter. Today we're going to be looking at a 2018 31P Alante by Jayco. Jayco's a great builder of coaches. They're one of the only manufacturers that actually gives you a 2-year warranty. They really stand behind their product. Let's take a look at some of the storage on this. They didn't miss a single beat. Every opportunity they had to put a door and put some storage in there for you is wonderful. This one goes all the way through and out the other side. As does this one. So you've got a lot of storage. This is almost like having a diesel pusher. This is on the J-Ride system, which means they've isolated the frame from the house so you don't get that road noise in it. In this compartment, we've got our hydraulics, our battery, and our propane. And in this one, we've got quite a bit of storage here. Okay, this is pre-wired for solar. Out here, we've got our 42-inch TV with our DVD player and our stereo speakers. And it's directly underneath the electric awning. So you push a button, you've got your awning open, you can sit out here, watch TV, watch a game, enjoy the evening with the children or the grandchildren. We've got a 5,000-pound tow hitch. It's all pre-wired, pre-set up for towing. On the driver's side, another storage cavity. It's a 30-amp coach. Here we have our plumbing bay system. I love the way they've color-coded these. So when you want to have your plumbing system do something, you just follow the little footsteps. This is our dump station. They've kept it separated from the water station. Our most common generator is the 4,000 watt Onan. This is the other two sides of that pass-through storage, one here and one here. And then another one of our littler storage areas. Drop down queen size bed. Great for extra sleeping like a Class C. In our cockpit area, we've got the automatic hydraulic leveling. We've got our electric front visor blinds. It's a Ford chassis. This is the latest and greatest chassis. This is going to have the TorqueFlite 6-speed transmission to get you that better fuel economy, and the Ford Triton V10. Backup camera, side cameras, fully loaded, very easy to drive. Our theater seating is directly across from our pop-up TV. When you don't want the TV, you push a button and it goes away. I'm going to stop right there and move on. Nice booth, makes into a bed. Love the countertop in this. We've got the oven, and we've got our microwave over the stove. This is a 3-burner stove. Back here in the back, we've got our shower on the passenger side of the coach. And we've got the potty on the driver's side of the coach. It's going to have your sink and your toilet. For our bedroom, we have a sliding pocket door here with a nice securing latch. A little bit of closet storage here. We've got our bedroom TV. Oh, let's take a look at that. Love the big bank of drawers. You're going to be able to carry just about everything you need. You've got your own air conditioner in the bedroom. You've got your own air conditioner in the living room. This is on a separate system from the living room, so you can have this room one temperature and your living room another temperature. Our control panel. 12 cubic foot refrigerator freezer. That's a big refrigerator freezer. Again, I'm Roger Woodruff with Guarantee here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.